What are some methods to uncover hidden text messages on an iPhone?
Hello there. Today, we are going to discuss a topic that might be of interest if you suspect there are hidden text messages on an iPhone, either your own or someone else's with their permission. We will walk you through some methods to uncover these hidden text messages, focusing on ethical considerations, privacy rules, and legal boundaries. Let's dive in.
What are hidden text messages?
Before we proceed, let's understand what hidden text messages are. Hidden text messages are messages that are intentionally concealed or not readily visible in the normal message view. These can be hidden through settings, using certain apps, or even through features within the Messages app itself.
How to find hidden text messages in the Messages app?
The most straightforward method to uncover hidden messages is to check the Unknown Senders section in the iPhone's Messages app. 1. Open the Messages app. 2. Tap on the Filters in the top left corner. 3. Here, you will see two categories, Known Senders and Unknown Senders. 4. Messages from senders not in your contact list will be under Unknown Senders. These messages are separated to help filter out potential spam, but could also contain hidden text messages.
How to check for messages in hidden apps?
Sometimes, messages are hidden through specific apps that are designed to conceal or encrypt conversations. 1. Look for any suspicious or unfamiliar apps on the iPhone. These can often look like calculators, note-taking apps, or games. 2. If found, open the app and explore its features. Many of these apps require a password or PIN to access the hidden messages. 3. If you have the required permission or credentials, you can unveil the hidden messages within these apps. Please note that any interaction with someone else's private information requires their explicit consent. Respecting privacy is non-negotiable.
How to use iCloud to uncover hidden messages?
Another way to uncover hidden messages is through the iCloud backup. 1. Navigate to Settings greater than Your Name greater than iCloud greater than Manage Storage Backups. 2. Here, you can find the device's backups, which may include text messages. However, you'll need a third-party tool to extract and read these messages, which might not be easy or legal in some jurisdictions. Always ensure you respect privacy laws and guidelines. And there we have it. These are some of the common methods to uncover hidden text messages on an iPhone. Remember, these techniques should always be used ethically and with respect for others' privacy. If you're a parent concerned about your child's safety or someone trying to retrieve your own hidden messages, these methods can certainly be helpful. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.